Hey, YouTube friends and family. It's been a minute. I went thrifting last Thursday. Kind of late getting this up, but it doesn't matter because it's thrift, so it's nothing to run for. But of course, I'm big on books. Thrifting for books. And I got this book, and this was red tag, so it was like $1.50. Look for those tags. I love going thrifting at this one particular thrift store in Jacksonville on Emerson. They have the best stuff. That place is always packed and crowded on Emerson Street. I want to say it's the Ambets or something like that. It's the one who sends the trucks to the houses to pick up the stuff. So for gardening, your reference, when it all goes down, your reference is going to be books. You need books. So this is the complete guide to gardening. A lot of information. The book is rough, but it's still in kind of sort of one piece. All this information is worth having a little bit of a rough book, but it has a lot of information. So if you ever, have questions, you can look to a reference book if the YouTube and the Google are not available. I also found a landscaping book, Southern landscaping book, but I've already sent that to my cousin, the Gardenista. Check out her channel and on Instagram. But we have the Encyclopedia of Flowers. You ever plant identification? Plant identification. That weird flower that's growing in your yard that the birds dropped and now it's growing. You can find it in here. They actually have shrubs. They have it kind of broken down by colors. See the purples, the pinks, orange and red. This was a good find, and it was $7.99. The other one was $2.99, but I want to say it was discounted. And you see how thick these books are? Full of information. Then I thought this was cool. The family cookbook from Disney. Disney's dinners, school lunches, Sunday brunches. From the Disney restaurants, I take it. But I'm going to look through these and maybe we'll make a recipe or two online on the channel. So maybe we can make, some of these recipes on the channel. Sorry, I keep getting interrupted, but I'm almost done. This is a very short video. And this book is selling for like $15 on eBay. So it is meant to go on the eBay store if I can get this little tag off. And I think this was like 25 to 30% off or something on Yellow Tag Day. So that's going in the eBay store. I found like these kind of books sell well. They sell fast. If you look them up and they are going for upwards of $15-20, grab them at the thrift store. And they do normally go pretty fast. So what have you all been doing in all this heat? The garden is out there by itself because I ain't doing all this heat. I promise you. It's out there by itself. And when I need something, I go see if it's out there. And if it's out there, I get it. I have not been able to successfully get not one squash because the vine borers have gotten it all before it could even get squashed. I have not been able to successfully get a cucumber. But peppers, they on fleek. They love this. Okra has been struggling. I got the few, and now it's like, we might give you an okra when it cool off. We don't want to do this either. So, but they're still there. They're not dead. Some of the flowers, they're a little struggly. But I need to go out there and deadhead everything, rebuild everything, and then we'll do a garden tour, maybe a before at my chores and after my chores. But I got to be the one to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning before it gets too hot to be out there, and then do all the things. But remember, I work full time from home, but I work full time, and it's a lot. And now I'll do a whole nother video about everything else that's going on over here. But it'll be very informational. So if you like this channel, or if you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's everything. It's gardening. It's deals. It's prepping. It's stockpiling. And we're going to have a long discussion about all of that. So, again, subscribe to the channel. I will try to get a new video out by the end of the week where we talk about all the things that's happening around here. And, again, thank you so much for watching. Prep and pray. I love you to life. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. It might wait till it's cool enough to grow up, but throw one out there and let's see. But have a great day. Bye-bye.